Hi Forex traders, this is Zeb from zebforex.ca, creator of the original Strategy Tester Assistant, the $10 MT4 Trading Simulator EA. A little history: when I started trading about 7 years ago, I was looking for a way to manually practice my strategies, and I quickly realized that the MT4 Strategy Tester was for EAs that did automatic trading. So that didn't work for me because EAs, of course, are wonderful things. Automatic trading will work a lot of the time, but eventually they'll meet their death. They'll inevitably be some market conditions that they will not like, and you could suffer serious financial losses. So I like to manually test and manually trade. So I looked around for a bit and I couldn't find a decent trading simulator that I liked at a reasonable price. So I just started coding. Just from scratch, I started to learn how to code, and I developed this thing to help myself. And since I've been told by other traders that they really like it, and so I decided to put it out there to the public at a reasonable price, because I know if you're Forex trading, especially if you're new to Forex trading, it's because you're looking for some extra cash and you don't want to blow a whole wad of it on some software. So there it is. So here's my trading simulator in a nutshell. As you can see, I got some indicators loaded up here. It should work fine with any of the standard indicators. Here are the things you can do with it. You can set your auto profit, your desired profit. That's a percentage of your account balance. You can go per candle here if your strategy, or if you want to practice just going candle by candle. There you go. Different ways to close buys and sells. Different buttons to do that. There's pending buys and pending sells. So it'll pause so you can place your pendings. You just hit the advanced candle, and then it'll pause again, just in case you went to make a sandwich and it hits your pending. You don't want to come back and see something. So it'll just wait there for you to make sure that you're ready to continue trading. You got your pending sells, same thing. It'll pause there for you. Advance the candle. Then when price gets hit, you just advance it a bit more. You got the buy and sell, of course, and for your buys and sells, you got your lot size selection here. You can choose whatever lot size you want. And open some buys. Open some sells. Go even bigger. Buy. We can hit our auto profit there with our basket trail. So we got 181. So here's the speed function. You got the slow and the slower. Any slower than that, then you can use the pause simulator. A little faster, normal speed. If you want to pause in the middle of a candle, there you go. You got the close all order button. I'll just open a bunch. Oops, hit our target. Got a close all order button. You got to delete all objects, because as you trade you get a lot of these arrows and stuff that could slow down your simulation. So you got the delete objects. And over here you have a summary of basically what's been happening, averages of orders and lots and profits. And up here, of course, you have your running buy profit, sell profit, and account profit. So that's it in a nutshell. The original Strategy Tester Assistant, the $10 MT4 Trading Simulator from Zeb Forex, zebforex.ca. You can go to the website there and you can purchase it right there, and after purchase you download right away I got a lot of really nice comments from traders about the simulator. Anyway, I'm quite happy with those. So if you're so inclined as to want to practice Forex trading in a simulated environment in the MT4 at a reasonable cost, by all means check it out. I will show you some of the settings now for the simulator. There aren't very many. So in the settings we have the font size. That's just how big this font is over here, in case you're laying in bed watching a simulation go by, which I do sometimes just to train my brain and to watch the things go up and down and look for patterns. You can increase this so you can see it from a distance. You got the slow and the slowest variable here that you can modify to suit your computer and your computing power. You got the button shift here, which just moves all these buttons away in case you're using Fibonacci or some other indicator that puts data over here. You got your desired profit. That is just the desired profit amount here, which is a percentage of your account balance. The H-line placement from ask is the distance that your pendings and your stop loss and take profit lines will be placed from the ask line. And the basket trail, which is again a percentage of the desired profit variable. So not very many settings. I'll start it up again to show you a bit more about how you can use it potentially. I really think this is a great tool just to help you find your edge. You know, every trader is different. Every trader has to be comfortable with the system. So maybe you'll find somebody else's system out there and you'll like it and use it with success. But I found that developing my own system works best for me. So again, here we go. We're in the trading simulator. Gonna load up, let's go with the Ichimoku. And let's go with MACD here. So here we are. Let's say I want to buy above the cloud and sell below the cloud. Let's sell here. Let's change our lot size. We're in the cloud, don't want to do much. Okay, let's start selling. This isn't a very good strategy, of course, just a demonstration purposes. If I want to slow this down, it's going a little too fast. Hit the slow button. I want a bit more lot, add some lot size there. We're above. Gonna hit a buy. Let's go normal speed. Let's say close all in profit. That'll close all the buys. Hit some sells. Sell, stop loss, and take profit. That'll activate the pause button so you can get things where you want to get them. So here's the stop loss and take profit. Just move that down there. The stop loss, put it above that candle there. Then advance. Pause it. Move our stop loss a bit lower. Boom. There we hit our profit there. So you can just delete those. So there you have it in a nutshell. Again, if you're new to Forex, or even if you're not, and you're just working on developing your own style, your own system, then the original Strategy Tester Assistant, the original $10 MT4 Trading Simulator could be a very useful tool to add to your arsenal. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.